well today we are back working on Frankie, and we've got to get the wiring situated. We've also still got to get the AC done, so that's another big one. And we still need to get the El Grande Granada up and running. So we've got lots to do, and but I have to drive Frankie, so we're gonna fix the wiring first, so we're back up and running. Then we'll probably try and tackle the AC and the running. So boom. All right, so the fur really turned out great. We still gonna button up some spots, but really, you know, I've got the horn wired. It was sitting up there, bad location. Gonna get rid of that. We'll eventually just get it in the actual steering column. And then the tack. I need to figure out what to do with tack. I'm debating putting it there or up along the roof line. So there's that part. And then we took the stereo out. So we need to fix the switches, make sure everything's good. And that's kind of where we're at. What we've got going now is this wire is for the halos on our headlights, and then we're going to basically we're going to run everything from two switches. The tack will go through the third switch hole, and basically we're going to have one for the gauges, one for all the green lights. And so basically what I got to do is all of these power lines are already connected here. So I just need to add the power for the tack. The ground should be good, but I'll double check that. And then I'm just gonna have to run that wire over to connect it up. We've got now just two wires coming in instead of this rat's nest thing, which is now all right there. Actually, it looks like a rat's nest. And so we'll have two power lines, one for the gauges, one for the lights. And then the only thing I'm still trying to figure out is for the AC unit where I want to hook that up. So making good progress. I'm really happy with the location of these gauges and how this is going to look. I might try and see if I can get this to kind of swivel just a little bit, because this is third, so that might be a little problematic. But maybe I can do something with the bracket here to kind of turn it just a little, and we should be good. We actually got it sorted out, so this should be way cleaner. I mean, you can see there's just a couple of wire, but everything's together. There's not this rat's nest under there. And basically we've got one switch for the gauges and one switch for all the green lights, so including the halos. So let's see if this works. And then the AC unit I just have running off the main power coming in, so that'll be on continuously because it has an on-off switch. So we should be good there too. Oh, there we go. Awesome. This is how we want it. Much better, much better. All right, so I'm really happy with how this turned out, and just huge shout out to my buddy Bill Cameron, Edge of Eternity. Another one that I always forget to shout out, and he's a really good buddy of mine, is Oli's Garage. Great dude, Dano's the man. Please go check him out. And Oscar and William Morgan. So boom, baby.